What's good? sorry. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back sa channel, Jacob Alaba. And today, kasama natin si Bella. We're gonna be answering some of your questions. Nagpa-Q&A ako sa IG and sa YouTube community page. So we're just gonna be answering some of your questions. Hindi namin ni-rehearse to. So pinili namin yung questions. Syempre, we have 13 of them. First one is from Jello Maramba. Basically, yung tanong niya, how do you manage gym and Jowa? And when it comes sa budget, sa nutrition, pang-gala with Jowa. So I'm assuming tinatanong niya paano ko manage yung time with her at the same time yung working out and yung nutrition namin. Madali with us kasi we are both gym goers. Hindi kami mahirapan dun sa part na yun. Kasi yun yung bonding rin namin eh. Nag-train kami together. Tapos when it comes to nutrition,
hindi naman kami nagtatrack, so ina-enjoy lang namin yung gala, eating whatever we want.
and yung panggala naman, syempre ako, nagtatrabaho ako, kami pareho. I'm an online coach and I do YouTube, content creation, and I do have atelier as a business and mga affiliate marketing. So may mga racket-racket ang coach niyo. Siya,
I'm an art director.
so may trabaho kami, kaya may panggala rin kami kahit pa paano. Next question from Joshua. What's up, brother? Do you guys still prioritize protein while dating or eating outside?
No. Prioritize namin yung gusto namin kainin. Kung ano yung masarap.
Pero soon kailangan na namin kasi naka-break kami from bodybuild. Sobrang strict bodybuilding na tracking, ganyan. In-enjoy lang namin. So eventually kailangan na natin.
Saka pina-prioritize natin ngayon yung may beer.
Oo, mahilig kami sa beer. Pareho kami dun. So, fitness and beer. Pero syempre, pag serious na kami, syempre babawasan namin yung pag-inom namin ng beer. From Jason Vitalista. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name, pero favorite chest workout to build a massive chest. So, I'll go first kasi siya nag-train din siya ng chest sometimes. So, ako, favorite ko yung incline chest press machine. Yun kasi nakaset ka na kagad dun eh. Hindi mo na kailangan i-balance and all. It's just, upo ka lang, position yourself well, tapos sobrang effective na. Yung isang favorite ko, tinuro sa akin ni Grant. Shout out to Grant. Tinuro niya sa akin yung incline chest cable press. So, kailangan may bench ka, naka-angle, tapos basta, nakita niyo na yun sa ibang vlogs ko. Yun yung favorite ko. Ikaw, ano favorite mo?
Honestly, ayoko ng chest workout kasi ayoko ng pecs. Nasasama siya when I do incline dumbbell press. So, ayun.
Incline dumbbell press.
Mm-mm.
From Ellen Sao or So. For female gym goers, would Bella best recommend menstrual cups or pads, tampons during workouts?
Honestly, pads pa lang nagagamit ko. Never tried tampons kasi parang rare ka lang makita ng tampons here. And for menstrual cups, parang lately lang din siya na uso. And hindi ko pa na-try. So, ayun, pads.
From Wilver, ilang years na po kayong nagbubuhat? So ako, if you've been following me for a while, medyo matagal na ako nagbubuhat. Siguro since nung high school pa lang ako, pero sobrang sama nung buhat. Yung for the sake na magbuhat lang. Naayos ko yung buhat ko, I think around siguro mga 2019, 2020, mas maayos na talaga compared to yung kung ano-ano lang. So I'd give myself yung maayos na training, probably like 3 years or so.
Ako I started like mema buhat 2019, pero like last year lang talaga ako naging like structured program and everything na maayos. And yeah, yung technique na ayos and all.
Next question from Thaddeus. How do I get my girlfriend to be more consistent like me at the gym?
Baka make gym more fun for her. Introduce mo siya to some stuff na she'd like to do. Hindi necessarily bro buhat. Baka naman more calisthenics in the gym.
May ibang babae kasi ayaw talaga nila ng gym eh. Hindi nila na-enjoy talaga. And yung iba natatakot lumaki, di ba? Yung sobrang maging masculine, which is very common dito sa Philippines. So, sa akin siguro, it would be better kung you make her try different exercises, tulungan mo, hindi porket yung buhat mo is chest, papag chest mo rin siya, ganun. So, introduce some workouts for her, especially mga lower body, mas na-enjoy ng girls, hindi naman lahat. I-balance mo rin yung gusto niya sa gusto mo, di ba? Kasi baka mamaya, pinipilit mo siya mag-gym, pero hindi naman talaga niya gusto. Do something that she likes, and she does something that you like, which is gym, di ba? Okay, from CC Yan, how did you guys start dating? So may dalawang perspective yan eh. Unahin ko muna yung akin. Sa IG, syempre, yung explore feed ko, ganun. Puro mga nagbubuhat, mga fitness, ganun. So nakita ko siya, ang gandaan talaga ako sa akin. Lalaki ulo nito. Pero, ayun, crush ko siya. I really found her attractive. Nanggandahan talaga ako. Then, ayun, finalo ko siya sa IG. Tapos di niya ako finalo back. Di niya ako finalo back. So sabi ko, shh. And then, nung nagpe-prep na ako for NBA, biglang may nag-follow back out of nowhere. Tapos nag-DM sa akin, oh, you're joining NBA. Ako naman, yeah. From then on, nag-DM na kami. Nag-uusap na kami. Tapos, nagkita kami sa show sa NBA dun sa backstage. Tapos, ayun, hi, hello. Tapos, from then on, we went out on our first date November 12 and the rest is history.
So, ang nangyari naman was, nakita ko finollow niya ako. Pero, nakita ko parang, okay, sino ba to? So, hindi ko finollow back. Kasi hindi naman kita kilala, ba't kita i-follow back?
Go lang.
Finollow back ko, then nakita ko na he's joining NBA. So, minessage ko. Tapos, nung show day, nakita ko siya for the first time. Naisip ko, shucks, ang pogi naman itong hayop na to.
Hayop.
After nun, nakalimutan ko siya kasi like, syempre, competition mindset. Then, nung after show, saka ko naalala yung mukha niyang pogi.
Ayun, alam niya na. Next question from Menggoat. Who hip thrusts more weight? Ako wala akong hip thrust sa program, so concede ako dyan. Guaranteed ikaw. Ilan ba na hip thrust mo?
Heaviest I did with free weights was 180 kilos.
So, definitely siya ako. I've never attempted 180 na hip thrust. Next question from Juz Vince Talosig. I'm assuming the 4 is an A. Supplement recommendations sa mga nagsisimula pa lang magbuhat.
I'd say yung mga pretty basic lang, like whey. Pero for us, we like whey isolate para hindi kami mag-breakout. Then, creatine and pre-workout.
Yung tatlong yun lang, okay na yun.
Mabubuhay ka na doon.
Next question from Laylay Nathan. Laylay Nathan. Sorry kung mali yung pagbigkas ko. Pero, Coach Christian din po ba kayo? Si Bella tsaka ako, we're both Catholic. Roman Catholic. Practicing. So, nagsisimba kami. And, ayun.
From pretty religious families also.
Yun din yung same kami ng background doon. Very religious yung background. Okay guys, dito naman tayo sa YouTube questions. In one word, from Luigi Galiogo. In one word, ano yung i-describe mo sa months na panliligaw mo sa GF mo?
Ayusin mo yun.
Siguro, it felt natural. Parang kami. Natural bodybuilder. Pero kidding aside, natural. Kasi walang games involved. It was just very straightforward dating. Never niya pinapa-feel sa akin na may gusto siyang iba. And at the same time, ako rin, wala rin akong kinita during that time. And wala. Pero ayun, ang sabihin pa.
Well, it felt right.
Ako yung tinanong. Joke lang. Next question from Stefano Dreyi. How to move on from someone and start working out?
Mag-workout ka lang, saka ka makaka-move on.
Hanip. Pero totoo, yung answer is within the question. Kasi from my experience before, parang syempre magiging outlet mo yung working out eh. After, let's say, a relationship, sa'yo rin naman, di ba? After a relationship, you're left alone again, di ba? So, ano bang pwede mong gawin? Improve yourself. Physical, mental, spiritual, financial, di ba? So, maraming ways of improvement. Pero, working out is one of them and it helps a lot of people na galing breakup. Kaya nga, di ba may saying na parang breakups make bodybuilders. Ito.
Talaga ba?
Ginawa ko lang yun. Joke lang meron talaga. And we have our final question from Slowdinson. How to approach your gym crush, coach? Tas pag di gumana, paano gawin para makaiwas?
Siguro after a workout. Huwag naman yung during workout tapos bubuhat siya at ginugulo-gulo mo sa paligid.
Nag-PR ng hip thrust.
Tapos umaaligid ko sa batukan ko yun eh. After the workout, pag kunyari paalis na siya, habulin mo.
Tapos, ano sabihin niya? Hi girl, what you doing?
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Compliment mo lang or like sabihin
Guys,
workout kayo together sometime. Anong oras ka mag-workout? Uy, sabay ako.
ganun ba? Mag-work sa'yo?
Siguro. Type ko.
Ako, sige, personally, pag lalapit ka sa girl, yun, tama yun. Timingan mo. At saka kailangan may signal na may interest din siya sa'yo. Huwag mo lalapitan kung wala talaga siyang pake sa'yo. Hindi mo nakikitang at least kahit pa paano may masisense ka na may interest involved. Tapos, kahit wala, just shoot your shot, timing, try mo lang, kausapin mo. Kunyari, pag makipag-alternate ka sa equipment, ganun, sa cables, ganun. Timingan nyo sa cables. Pero, ayun, timing lang talaga. Shoot your shot. Wala namang mawawala if you miss, diba? At least din rin. Kasi you'll be surprised, like normal lang rejection talaga. Like it's part of the dating scene, lalo na kung cold approach yan. And the last one, gym is no longer fun as it used to be, whether or not nandun yung gym bay niya. Any tips on that scenario? Ikaw, pag naumay ka sa gym?
Di ako nauumay sa gym or nawawala ng motivation. Basically kasi hindi na ako nag-realize ng motivation. It's part of my life na. Kumbaga sa parang pagtutoothbrush is part of your routine. Parang ganun ang gym for me. Kaya hindi ako nauumay, hindi ako tinatamad or whatever. Hindi ko na-feel yun.
Tagal ko na nagbubuhat eh. So talagang naumay ako sa gym. What I do is, I take a break, at least less than 2 weeks, or basta nagsastop ako, or even if magja-gym ako, hindi necessarily all out. Hindi mo naman kayang i-force yung sarili mo, di ba? Kung wala ka talaga sa mood. So I just give myself time. I do other things until one day mamimiss mo yung gym. For me, mabilis ko mamiss yung gym. So if 2 weeks ako nag-stop, kating-kati na ako magbuhat by the second week or let's say third week man lang. Okay guys, so yun lang naman. Q&A with Bella. I'll have her on the channel more. Na-enjoy nyo ba? Let us know down in the comments, and if you want to see more her and anong content ba yung gusto nyong makita, let us know. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.